I love this new mask. It's got a couple things I like a lot about it. One is that I can use cords that I already have. Second, it's got two different fabrics, one for the inside and one for the outside, and it also has a pocket opening so that you can put in a filter or an existing smaller mask inside. And it's really easy to put on. You basically just hang it over your head, cinch it up until it goes slightly over your nose, tie it over your head, So it's only one tying up that you need to do. And when you do that, it kind of puts automatic pleats in there that I didn't have to do. And I've also sewn in a wire at the top so that you can cinch that in on a nose. I'm quite pleased with how this turned out.